monkey hat in the...
Grabe, puro tree. Saan? Makapunta tayo.
Ano, black? Ay, actually hindi siya monkey na monkey. It is parang ano.
Hala siyan! Sorry.
Well, it has the orange on your hair.
Yan!
You have orange hair on that, you know that? Hey, I feel... Wait,
They eat flowers, insects, leaves, and fruits. Kamukha ni Aliana talaga. Aliana, is that you? Oh, why there's two? Yan and the monkey. Aliana, look. Please stay at least 1 meter away. It's a pelican. It's a pelican.
Isn't that like from Nemo?
Yeah. So it means it flies. Totoo yan? Oo. Bakit tumawag yung peke yan? 1 meter nga siya, natakot to.
Why? Hindi siya kita eh. Here. Let go. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan? Nilalamig sila o naiinitan sila?
Look.
They cannot fly down. They're too heavy. Uy, bakit ka nagugutom sa zoo? Uy, naiwan yung ano niya. Pelicans daw sila. Di ba si Nemo? Hindi sila makalipad. Kasi they're heavy.
Bye-bye. There's more right there. Why am I not going in the water? Is it...
Forest, fragile forest. Kids World.
Animal
Okay,
playground.
let's go there. Oh, here first. I think you need to go here. Exit na yan, Bengi. Mamaya pa dyan. Halika, dito muna tayo.
Where is it?
Sakto daw. 6 din nagsasara. 6 yung last entrance. Oh.
Wait, right there.
Oh, what's that?
Dinosaur?
Paano pag makapunta sila dito? So scary.
Their natural habitat may be threatened, but this amazing creature, the man of the forest,
Why?
will survive thanks to breeding programs at Singapore Zoo and worldwide.
Cute naman nila.
If they fall,
Wow.
one of my favorite animals are a short walk from our next stop. It's the part of the zoo called Wild Africa, where you can meet cheetahs, warthogs, zebras, painted dogs, lions, and other big cats.
Lotso, baka mahulog ka.
Baka yung panda na sa
And giraffes also live in wild Africa.
Parang hindi ko naalala may
Don't miss the
panda.
token fields, which allow you to get up close with the rhino or giraffe and feed them.
Saan tayo?
Ah! Hindi pa. Tumatay siya na videoan ko.
Tram stop 3,
Ah!
Wild Africa. Wild Africa, this stop.
Tumatay siya. Sorry.
What's there then?
Baka talunin nila tayo.
Ew! What's that smell?
Oh,
What do you think it
The
is?
rhinos?
meron din dito?
Rhinos?
You're right.
It has the roast
We're close to the area where the rhinoceroses leave their dung.
You mean it's like a toilet? That's not very polite.
For rhinos,
true.
putting their dung in the same place keeps the rest of their home clean. And the smell is actually a way to communicate with other animals. It tells them that this territory belongs to the rhinos.
Baby rhinos are really funny. They run and jump and play roughhouse like dogs.
The white rhinoceros is endangered in the wild. That's why the zoo breeds them under human care. It's a real challenge. So when a baby's born, it's cause for celebration.
Siya ay axolot. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ay, ang liit naman niya. Hey, frog. Frog. It's a frog.
Hi, Kermit.
Amazon milk frog. Why it's called milk? Reptiles. Walang frog. Axolotl! Tama siya!
I saw those were appearing to be pink. Is it axolotl?
Ganun pala yan. Sabi ko kanina sa video ko, ay, hindi ko alam paano basahin. Axolotl daw. Axolotl. Supposed to be pink daw.
Where are they?
They're sleeping. Nasa tree?
Where?
Yana, this is how they evolve. Evolve. They come from a frog egg. Ah, yeah, you know it from school, right?
I feel like there's gonna be a frog in my shoe now.
Hindi makita. Nasa ano daw? Chinese crocodile lizard. Baka nasa ano sila mga ano.
But if so,
Crocodile daw sila eh. May isa pa dun sa kapila. Sorry na. Dito. Basta po.
I don't want to go in there. Oh, Buster.
Ay, naalala ko to.
I don't want to go in there.
Ouch! Grabe naman. Totoo to?
Butterfly. Come on. I'm scared of them.
Totoo to?
I'm scared of butterflies.
Baka robot to ah. Totoo to?
Butterflies.
Bakit nandyan lang sila?
It's real.
Hala! Nagdahawakan. Ipicturan ko pa lang eh.
Ay, doon o. Marami doon o.
Hindi sila makalabas. Cute naman. Ba't tayo niyan? Ha? Haidak ang tatlong bibe. Dalawa na lang sila. Ano meron dito?
Buwan na. Ayun.
Saan? Ito. Parang kinikilabutan ako.
Tapos yung ano.
Turtle?
Ayun o. Ayun siya.
Ayun.
Laki.
Cute naman niya. Paano kaya sila papasok dito? Hindi sila pumasok eh. Ano? Bakit sila nandito?
Arbor rain.
River, sa river lang sila.
Tapos paniki. Gusto makita mo lagi yung paniki.
Saan? COVID. Di ba sa kanila nag-start yun? Okay lang ako ba? Ay, ang cute naman ito. Wala, ang cute nyo. May tatlong bibe. Ang cute naman nila. Nakakawala lang sila. Natakot na siya. Sorry, hindi kami mang-aaway. Bakit kaya ayaw niyan sa butterfly? Yeah. Baba tayo. Excuse me. Ang cute no, kasama mo sila naglalakad. Ang galing. Hello. Hindi sila nananakit?
Kinata yung mga bababaho.
Di ba sila yung nangahabol?
Ayun, pamakain na kayo.
Ginawang aso. Hello. Yeah. Ba't ako kinikilabutan? Huh? Squirrel? Kinikilabutan ako sa kanila. Bigla akong nakasalubong yung squirrel. Oo. Ano na siya? Nakakagulat, ang laki ng squirrel, gano'n, no? Saan ka? Gano'n? Hindi sila pumasok eh. Ayaw niyan sa butterfly. The squirrel is walking past beside me. Okay na. So I want these salty boogers. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're
Mexican
I saw a big
leader.
spider.
Baka yun yung pagkain niya.
Naka-display lang din.
Right there. It's right there.
Ayun, oh. Natutulog na sila. Kasi
Right
nakakumpul
there.
na
There's
sila.
a big spider.
Makakakain lang nila.
There's a big spider.
Spider? Saan? Ah! Spider-Man! Chameleon?
Where?
Shifting crystal to change color.
Change its color?
Yeah, gusto din. Yung akala mo, ano lang, pero naka-cover.
Huyungo.
It feels like it's in my shoe, but it's actually just my pen. It's just my pen.
Kinikilabutan siguro siya. Uy, bawal ang flash mo. Uy, lamig, buti na lang mo. Siya uli. Red-footed tortoise.
Malaki to. Feeling ko. Tortoise eh. Yung tortoise kasi malaki. We can spot it outside. We can spot it outside.
Ayaw nga, pwede po. Baka sa kabila.
Ranger buddy.
Snake naka-color sa ano. Paano kapag nasa jungle ka tapos... Ayan, color green siya. Hindi ko kaya rito.
Why is it so big?
Baka wala. Wala siya. Rattlesnake.
Ay, poisonous yan.
Ayan! Look! So big! Oh my gosh!
Talaga? Ganyan daw tayo nakikita ng snake.
It ate someone!
Saan?
Wait! I need to go under there.
Sige.
Ang mostly na ang pinaka-habitat ng rattlesnake is sa Saudi. Sa,
Ay, oo, yung sa mga Egypt na sa mga palabas.
kasi sa ano sila.
Tapos may tulog silang...
Yung ano,
You try it.
sa
Ayun.
buktot.
No, you try. No. See? Paano pa dito siya sila?
Si Albert matapang eh. Ako pa talaga ang papuntahin mo ah.
Di ba?
There's a bubble. Under.
Albert, carry mo? Hindi ko kaya yan. Makakit na sa kamay ko yung ano.
Saan? I think it's in his house. I want to get out of here.
Lizard daw, lizard. Wala man lizard. Ay siya. Grabe na yung pagkaano ko. Sige na. Wala nga eh. Ano yan? Yan yung ano, yung kay Rapunzel. Ito sa picture, kamukha niya. Yung Rapunzel. Siyempre hindi. Bukas mo? Alam, bukas. Akala ko sa lamin. Di ba nagkukrol yan? Pupo ba yan? Ano ba yan? Siya na yun? Oo, yan yun. Natutulog siya. Ay, joke lang. Halika na, alis tayo. Kinikilabutan ako dito.
I have the goosebumps already.
Ayan, ganyan talaga yung mga tortoise.
About wala doon kanina.
Siguro ito yung...
Hindi yan. Dito pwede. Ay, ano, ito yung, ano nila, environment. Dito nila inaalagaan. Bakit ko naman sinabi nito? Ay, yung black totoo. Parang fake eh. Looks fake. It's real.
The shell is fake.
It's shiny eh. Ay, ang cute mo naman. Cute naman niya. Ilang taon na kaya siya? Ooh. Are they playing? Cute naman. Naghahapulan sila.
Kaya mga bangagal. Iguana.
Akala ko peke siya, oh. Tingnan mo. Nilagyan ng wax yung shell niya. Ito, totoo na ba to?
Pero may ganyan kalaki.
Ano daw? Dragon?
Komodo dragon, malaki talaga yan.
Yan, wag ka lumapit.
Probably adopted by Starbucks?
Tumataas yung balahibo ko.
Komodo dragon. Pwede siyang makakain ng hog.
Wait, ganun kalaki?
Oh, ayun siya.
Yeah, I saw it already.
Bato lang nakikita. Kaya siguro may tubig.
Ayun. Sa ganung laki ba naman? Kambing, kaya niyang kainin yan.
Crocodile ba to? Parang crocodile species?
Hindi. Reptile pa rin siya.
Yan, di ba? Kinikilabutan ako. Tumataas yung balahibo ko kung nakikita nyo lang. Dragon yan? Dragon yan? Totoo ba to? Hindi siya gumagalaw?
Ito yung egg nila.
Reptiles. Kasi pag reptiles, nangingitlog, diba? Amoy ano? Ewan ko kung gutom na ako, parang amoy laksa.
Diliit.
Ano to?
It's a turtle.
Tiny turtle.
Oh, there's a
May bird. Kinakain nila yung pagkain ng turtle.
That is so weird. I think that was different.
Kung na ako magpagkahapon.
Ito yung sinasabi ng Amerikano kanina outside. May snake daw dito outside.
Ayun na, sun bear. Yung black to na maliit na bear.
Weh?
This is more yung sun bear.
Yung bear na color red yung mata? Parang ganon?
Oh, basta black siya. Black siya na bear na ano. Open siya sa Amerika, open siya maglakad-lakad lang.
Weh? Hindi. Baka hindi siya nakakatakot kaya parang ang dami ng scratches na ito ah.
Compare mo sa mga polar bears.
Parang ang dami niya nang gusto niyang sirain, no?
Compare mo sa mga polar bears gano'n. Mas maliit lang siya.
Where is it?
Wait lang, hanapin natin.
Where is it? It's open, oh.
Ano open?
No, if the bear is more. Polar bear.
Ba't ganda yung tsura niyo? Ayun.
Makakita na tayo ng polar bear ito. Ay, sana?
Also, these kind of
Ito.
bears. Also, these kind of
Sound.
bears.
Oo, Teddy. I see Mr. Bean. Teddy bear ni Mr. Bean nandito.
No.
Bakit open?
No.
Malayan sun bear. Baka natutulog sila. Totoo ba to? Ayun oh! Lag ba yun? Sorry. Ha? Kumakatok siya.
Nag-aas ka ng help.
Hindi. Binibigyan sila siya ng food. Tapos ginagawa siyang kawawa naman sila. Mukhang matanda na siya. Kumakain siya. Ay, sorry.
How did they even feed it?
Ganyan sila kumain. Kawawa naman sila.
How do you feed it? You like their tongue. Oh, bro,
Let's go. Ayaw niya kumain.
crying.
Who? This one?
No, that one.
He looks crying.
Yeah.
I think he's eating.
There's a real apple.
Sumakran.
Say no to illegal. What is that?
It's a dog. Hiya! I saw the fountain already. There, it's up there. Come on.
Wait, can you push me?
Why did you change?
I don't know. Oh. Ah.
There's a trampoline. Halika.
Okay.
Wait for me. Treasure tumble.
Treasure? No?
What's this? Jumping jacks?
Wait. Oh wait, I think I
Ah,
know.
you can ba?
I saw their sign.
Do you want to go to the fountain first? Jump, you can jump there.
Oh my god.
Didikit yun sa body mo. Cause you're wet. Doon tayo, Bing, sa fountain. I wanna see it. Yan, yan. Be a vet. Lice. Lice everywhere. There's nothing to see.
Well, why is it so weird? I thought there was gonna be a bat. Where?
Saan si ate?
She is at the bathroom. We were looking for you. Where?
Can't you hear?
Where? For real, where?
Ate said you can get wet. Did Ate said you can get wet?
Huh?
Did Ate said you can get wet?
Huh?
Did Ate said you can get wet?
No. Why? Why are there people there? Why are there people? Why are there people there? Okay, I want to go in now. I just saw a kid's butt. For real, I did.
I saw kids skanking. Don't drink the water, it's dirty, huh? I want also. Can I not go?
Can I go to the playground now?
You don't want to get wet?
I want to, but I know I'm just gonna get mad. She didn't say anything about that.
You have extra clothes, it's fine. Come here. Yan!
I didn't get my glasses!
It's okay. Parang gusto ko din. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No, not really.
No more water, it's done! Something fish. Ooh! I smell something fishy because it's fish. Oh! As in, yung ate girl, buti nga inaya lang tayo eh.
Arowana pala yun, hindi iguana. Arowana.
Grabe sa katang pa ako, nagmadali ako. Parang manilaw siya. Akala ko naman may sasakyan. Akala ko may sasakyan tayo or something. Wala na ang picture. Pagod na picture. So, it's memories yan. Ay, elephant fishes? May elephant palang fishes.
Wow!
Oh, ang sarap ng ulam. Sige na yan. Ito first time namin napuntahan. Dati wala pa to eh. Bangus pa to? I think this is the exit. Bangus. Ang tawag doon. There's birds. Don't stop. Hi, is it a parrot or just a bird? What's up? Saan? Bakit siya nakagod? Prenup. River na, longest river on earth. Ito yung mga nakahanap ng mga fishery. Nile River. May boat ride ba? Makain ng kalabasa yung ano. Totoo ba to?
They're herbivores. Ayun na, pating na. Ayun na.
Tilapia. Diyos. Sayang. Alam mo, unti na lang gigive up na yung legs ko. Wow! Wow! Laki naman. Oh, yan, no, may stingray. Yangtze River. Sa China yun, di ba? Kakamuta naman siya likod. Yangtze River. Wow! Ang cute naman ng turtle mag-ano.
What is that? What is fruit? How many turtles are there?
Nahihilo ko sa mga glass. Giant panda na daw tayo.
Pavilion. Ayun na.
Wow! Ilang naman nila? Tuna. Diyos.
What is it? I see.
Hala. Kakatakot sila. Kinakatok kasi nito ni Kuya eh. Kinakatok ni Kuya. Ano? Wow! Come to mama. Because of the panda. Kasi malamig yung mga panda. Di ba gusto nila malalamig?
From the movie Red Panda.
Uy, Maymay! Maybe we can see Maymay. Parang dati walang panda, no? Ah, saan ka napunta?
Nalala mo yung panda bear ko?
Ah. Where are you going, little piano? Hodi ka. Sinasarado namin lang. Hindi ka na. Pinapasok na sila eh. Ay, yung ang cute oh. Ah, si Albert. Sabi mo dyan si Albert. Buti pa si Albert nakabili pa ng drinks. Oo, tatawid tayo dito. Ito na yung boat ride. I think someone's gonna take a picture.
You have something underneath.
You want?
Wait, we were here. So the
Sayang kung maaga tayo. Late kasi tayo lagi. Uy, sige, mahanginin yung ano. Yung payong mo. Pupuntahin doon.
oh my god, this.
Zolympics.
What's that?
I don't know. Oh, I can hear them. Mas malaki pala to, river.
That looks
Meet the heaviest snake. The green anaconda.
the green. Meet the heaviest snake, the green conda. Where?
I think over there. Kinda getting scary, huh?
Nah, if the bridge breaks, I'm just gonna go there.
Final destination.
I like this. Or I'll just hold on there. Oh, yeah, no. There's a literal floater right there. Come on. I just hear birdies.
This part I haven't been here.
Wow,
When I was a little girl. I haven't.
Singapore?
Yeah, the same age as you now. Yeah, I went here and this the same exact place. Zoo place. Kaya nga eh. Spot mo daw yung mga Singapore houses sa diba? Kaya pala nakikita natin. Oh. Haba naman. Ang bilis naman, 1 hour na tayo dito. They cannot force us naman to go out.
Why do I get screaming? Now, bro, scream.
They're taking a break from the coldness of Korea, maybe. Even if it's summer right now in Korea. Oy, sayang mo kung nakabutan natin yung river mo.
I feel like I wanted to go back to sleep.
Really?
Yeah. I couldn't just lay down in bed and just start doing my iPad before y'all called me.
I went outside early morning.
Wait, when I woke up?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're showing us like kind of the picture saying go ahead?
Boat Plaza? Wow. Ang kakahilo.
Wala siya.
Baka pinauwi na naman. Ay. Ay. Ano nakikita natin? Wala ko dati. Ay, no, may alligator. Joke lang. Dito? Hindi ko pa napupunta yung sa aquarium. Gusto ko mupo, te. Te, ang laki oh. Laki nung eel. Kala mo ka. Electric eel daw siya. Ayun, parang hindi sila gumagalaw. Ay, siya. Sakit na lang ba ako?
Magnifying lang naman sa katungkulan.
Peke na ito mo. What?
When Kuya
Is there a chair?
I'm scared.
Oh, it's dark. What the? Oh my. Whoa.
Ate Jenny.
Whoa. Ay, ito. Wow. Nice. parang napaputol na yung pakot yan.
Hindi na tayo nag-CFR. Tapos yan, nasa dagat ka talaga. Alam mo na sa buhay. Yan! Picture ka doon niya.
Nahanap ko siya. Sa tabi ko. Nandito siya sa tabi ko.
Yan o.
How to contribute?
Loko ko. Magbabayad ka? Thank you, Yan, for cleaning. I think this is the last stop. Ganda sana pag nakasakay tayo sa river. Sayang.
There was a shop.
Tapos may mga isda. Ayoko.
Tapos mahulog sa boat.
Oo, sabay mahulog.
Iyak. Starbucks. Ay, last na to kasi dito na yung Starbucks. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ano may kata sa school niya? See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. Wow. Ang hirap siguro linisin na to. No?